without dying. That's that stuff down there. That's the area you end up if you kill that little fire-breathing thing at the end of the tunnel where I got the fire sword. I don't remember what items are down there. I think there's a cool ring. Other than that, I honestly don't remember. Not a really long area either. You there. This guy. Oh, that works. Alright. I'm sure you guys are probably like, why are you using this rapier on New Game Plus One? There's probably a million better weapons that can just one-hit all these guys, but I'm really comfortable with the rapier. It's pretty much the item I use for more than half of New Game, so I'm okay with continuing to use it. Let's go ahead and be a little more careful about these guys, like I said. Draw them out a little at a time. I guess I could just go pyromancy on them, but they might hit me while I'm winding up. Jeez. Jeez, come on. Alright. They are dead. I think there's one or two more in. Blue wooden shield. If I remember, that's actually pretty decent when you find it this early in the game. I don't think it's worth using anymore, but... also, I don't really use magic very much. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not. I use pyromancy sometimes, but I kind of stray away from magic. Don't remember where the mimics are, so we're just gonna check that. Whoop. Clearly didn't remember that either. 3 chunks. It's pretty good. So yeah, there's the lockstone here. I'm not going to use it. I think it leads to a Titanite slab and Florentine ring? But I've already got the ring plus 1, and I'm not really going to do too much upgrading. I can't remember if it leads to something else or not, but... Oh, this is the door. There's actually no key to this door. You have to hit it, and it kind of lures them out. It's interesting. I wouldn't have known that unless my first playthrough somebody left a message saying try attacking the door. Handy message if ever I've seen one. Come on, guys. And he hit me anyway. I'm getting hit a lot. No. Deal with that guy. All these items. Don't remember who to sell stuff. I think it's Rim. Is that his name? I know we find him in No Man's Wharf, and then later in the Pharos area, but is this a trap one? Nope. Life ring, large titanite shard. Alright, so yeah, in case you didn't know about that door, try attacking. Yeah, see, these messages come in handy sometimes. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Alright, yeah, in case you didn't know about that door, there you go. Just swing at it. There's no key to unlock it. Ladder? Ladder. moving along. Can't remember. I think I've got everything in this room, so let's go ahead and check on. Two directions. Let's go ahead and right. Got it. I think we end up there actually. Oh, this guy fired bombs. Place head of all time. This guy. These guys are pretty easy to just fade out. You can just keep going. Oh. Alright, that guy's new though. Oh. You do the same stuff? Yeah, so he ran out. Just do the same thing. That long swing is the best time to get him. Keep doing that. Go for it. Alright, I've really got to watch out for these phantoms. They're new. I don't know when they're going to show up. And they kind of catch me by surprise. That was pretty bad. For some reason that is not where I thought this led me to. Oh, okay, yeah, so the pursuer is that direction. I don't think I can get to him yet. This is going to lead me around to one of the locked doors near the bonfire we've been to. So let's just go ahead and get the rest of the items we can here. Oh, hello. Why's my bow equipped? When did that happen? Stay up on life. I'd really like not to use a lot of the effigies right now. I didn't have to. Large soul. Alright, we'll come back to that much later in the game. I have a lot of those souls stored up in my item box from the first playthrough. I didn't just splurge them all like maybe I should have, but they're there if I need them. Crappy crossbow. Firing down at us. I think I used that Mail Breaker for a while too. I really like thrusting swords. In Dark Souls 1 I used the S-Stock for quite a while. Again, not the strongest weapon in the game, but just the kind of weapon I like to use. Let's go ahead and take care of this side quest over here. Or at least I think it's a side quest. This guy's gonna tell us that somebody tricked them. There's a treasure inside here.
I'll leave.
But once we go in, we can't come back out the door, front door or something. Right? That sounds right. Archer. I'm also on the lookout for phantoms. I feel like they're gonna pop up on me at any second, like right around corner. It's kind of unsettling, but hey, I asked for it. Go to full health before we get in here. Ambush ahead, yeah. Around the corner we... Oh, there we are. That is in fact an ambush. Again, thrust and sword's really good at just dealing with enemies like this. Ones who attack so frequently that you don't have time to put your shield down. Roll away. Come on, stamina bar. Bottleneck him here. Makes him a lot easier to deal with. Well, we don't want the rapier to break, so let's go and switch it out. Yeah, it's probably a better idea to just use the halberd in the first place. Hidden path. Oh, there's actually a hidden path there. I don't think I found that one the first time. Kind of a random spot for it. Really? Come around this corner. Oh my god. Alright, is the AI, like, purposefully more annoying? And it is a Sorcerer's Staff Man. Not great. Definitely missed it the first playthrough, though. Seems like somebody actually felt like putting a sign for an illusory wall that was pressed by actually a wall. I think 9 times out of 10 it's just someone messing with you. But I'll be damned if I don't check it 1,000 times. Yeah, so there's that. Not here. Not here either. There are no walls here. You are just the most helpful thing in the world, aren't you? Alright, so I think that's really all there is to that spot. I think he's gonna give us something. I don't remember what.
Well, I hope that be kept. Oh, it'll out with luck. Well, I hope be careful.
Oh, he gives you one of the, soapstones. I think the white one, or the small white one. So if you want to do very much PvP and you actually have to talk to him. Alright, let's go ahead through here. We can't go, I don't think we can go right yet. Grab this. One more bone. This is the way to the pursuer. But we need. This guy out of here. I think there's one up there and there's a. Is that you? Yeah, on Is there another one? I vaguely recall there being another guy besides this one up here. Maybe not. Ah, yeah, turns out. Never knew where he came from. Guess we know now. No, 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 no. Ooh, that was bad. I thought I was gonna slip off there. Halberd. This is just a fog wall that leads me back to Circle. I believe there is a lizard in here. Yes, there is. He's gone. Feel bad about killing him, but then, same time, not really. Yes. Maybe. There's this. Large lizard. Door, but pointless. fire arrow. Alright, so we're going to hit this bonfire. We're going to just drop back down. And we're going to go down that elevator shaft, which takes us to the first boss of the game. Even though he's extremely easy, will probably kill me anyway. And let's go. Look at all that stuff. And now you just gotta work for it. Those items in that fire pit just taunted me for the longest time before I figured out how to get to them. Be wary of boss. Hey there. This is a weird door. So this actually leads to the other side of the fire pit, but it's locked, and I never found an item that opened this door. And you can get to the other side of this door, but it's also locked from that direction. So I don't know if that thing unopens or not, but there it is. Alright, ally head, enemy head. Maybe, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just stop the video here, and we'll just do a new video for the boss. I'm already a good ways into it, so I will see you in a second.